What's good, Faves? It's Fave Miss Renee. You guys, it's time for me to make another cup of that Javy Coffee, okay? So this time, I'm going to do a little experimentation type thing, and I'm going to make me a delicious cup of frappe. I'm going to try. Let's see what happens. This may save me a whole lot of time and some coins. I'm just saying, you guys. And you go where every morning to get you a frappe? Honey, if you don't just get you one of these. Mm. Oh, this is good. Oh, this is delicious. Ooh, and this is Javy at home. Frappe.